I'm at 4628 Oakley Avenue, and I am in the Clark-Fulton neighborhood. So Thomas Jefferson School's right there. Clark Avenue's just over a block. Vinyl sided. Let's head inside. So we got, I think this looks like a newer drywall walls. There's a closet here. I believe this has the furnace in it. Big, huge closet up front here for storage. Some more storage here. This is a big bedroom, so this is actually a master closet for this master bedroom. This is a really nice size room. And again, living room, this is a nice big room too. There's a lot of stuff in here, obviously. Another bedroom. And big closet for this bedroom. Small bedroom, big closet. It's all right. It's still a decent sized room. Got LVT flooring in the kitchen here. So now this is, I guess the basement is under my feet, which you are not going to see. It's a cistern, just a brick circle. And then this goes upstairs, and it is just an attic. I was up there, and it is just an attic. So we got the white cabinets from like a countertop. An excited dog with a tail wagging here. So we got an office. There is no closet in this room, but I mean, you know, there's also the laundry room off of it. So it is truly more of an office than anything. And there's your hot water tank, slop sink. And then this goes outside. That goes, we can't get out there right now, but then you can go to the front or to the backyard through there. And here is our bathroom. Again, LVT floor. And we do have a couple places to park outside. So we've got, there's at least parking for 3 cars or so. So that's all I got.